Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Atome credit card review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you've been looking for an easy way to stretch your shopping budget here, well, the Atome card is really unique hybrid between a traditional credit card and a buy now, pay later app. Now, because it runs on the MasterCard network here, you get a physical and virtual card you can use absolutely anywhere, online or in physical stores, giving you a way for way more freedom than standard shopping apps that limit you to their partner merchants. Now, the biggest perk here is pure accessibility. Now, you can apply right on your phone in under 2 minutes with no minimum income rules or zero tedious paperwork, making it a stellar starter option if you are trying to build your financial footprint. Now, it is completely free for life with $0 annual fee, and it actually gives you a flexible spending limit of up to like 200 Philippine peso. Now, if you play your cards right here, you get up to like 40 days of interest-free cushion to pay your balance in full. So you can choose to chop your bill into 3 or 6 month installments. Now, however, you have to watch out for the print here. Now, splitting your bills into multi-month installments triggers processing fees of up to like 2.4 or 2.24% and monthly interest around like 2%. While missing a due date hits you with a steep of 5% late penalty, the real hidden trap is their 3.10% foreign transaction fee. So this cross-border fee hits you even on local currency bills if the merchant is based overseas. So your monthly Netflix subscription here or international online shopping runs will automatically cost you an extra 3%. Plus, some people or reviews out there note that the card can occasionally encounter terminal errors at local malls, and customer service can be tough to deal with if your account gets a random glitch. Now, ultimately here, the Atome card is completely worth it if you just want a zero-fee, quick approval safety net for local everyday expenses, and you have the discipline to pay your balance off entirely within the 40-day interest-free free window here. But if you plan to consistently rely on long-term installments or frequently buy things from international sites, those stack fees mean you are better off hunting for a traditional bank credit card instead. But that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.